Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. And today I want to give you guys the tip of creating your podcast. So, lots of people think that creating a podcast is super complicated and it's a big thing, and how you're gonna get it out there. Well, obviously, the first step in creating a podcast is to have something to say. So if you have something to say, a topic that is of interest or interesting or whatever, then that would be a good start. The second thing is how to shoot a podcast. There is you can either go and buy yourself an expensive mic or an expensive camera, or the easiest way, no camera because it's a podcast, or the easiest way to do it is to do it via Zoom. So you just make sure that you and the person you're talking to have, both of you have a Zoom, and basically you record the session, and you just basically use the audio. But the cool thing is, like, there is this website called Anchor.fm, and Anchor.fm, basically you just upload your podcast, and you don't need to pay anything. You just have a free subscription if you want to have only one podcast, and basically you just put it on Anchor.fm, and like in a couple of weeks this podcast is gonna be connected to all the other platform like Castbox, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and all these things, so everywhere. And then from then, after the 2 weeks after it gets on all these platforms, then you, whenever you do like an episode, it's gonna go on the episode, it's just gonna go live straight away. So if you guys have some, and it's a good way, if you have a nice topic and you manage to market it quite well, it's a good way to monetize after a while. After you have a big audience, then you can do ads, you can do lots of stuff with it to give you some income. So that's the tip of today. If you want to create your own podcast, now you know how. Enjoy, and see you guys on another podcast. Bye.